meghalayapost.news.
Ngut Myntri Sorkar Jala ki bekentup yu bala kemen rembui ba sasana sotun uti di shira lembot ba Meral Bonds MLA kanong po menta kasengi kilalej ban pli ka North East Graduate Congress arhajar arpun rio ka program jong ka jengi kendu lang hapdeng ki samla puli ki jala syatai lamingi kabala penlong ha school ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya habari dua Riboy District katai ka North East Graduate Congress arhajar arpun rio ka jengi kendu ka bapra bala penlong ha ka school ba USTM ha ka balawan bani Shim Bynta da ki samla puli na ki sispa Andrew Potali ki college balai Potali ki university na ki jila bapher ki badan ha ki jila syatai lamingi kari India lingba kate ki program kita ki samla puli ki layo bani Shim Bynta ha ki judging ilekai bapher banalor kata ladan ka jingpen i ya ki rukom riam tenrai bat ka balai Shim Bynta da borok ki college bat university ki badan ha ki jaka bapher jong katan syatai lamingi ha kani ka sengi la ajing kran ru da ki Myntri Sorkar bat kinomi khmat pajba ki bala aimin siem bat penselur ya ki samla puli bagani ka jingi kendu lang kalong ka badan kam na kabanta ban sanduri kalawai ki samla puli hakabakum ki samla ki ha bontreshtom amtang hakabalum ya ka jingnang jingstan bat ki ha ru banlong kita ki samla ki balong kalawai na kabanta ki jela bat kari student
From yesterday onwards, we have started this Northeast Graduate Congress, 8th Northeast Graduate Congress, and we have participation from all over the Northeastern colleges and the universities. We have organized various competitions, more than 120 competitions we have organized, and all the buildings of the university have been occupied by students, and in the different venues, nearly 35 venues we have engaged for various competitions. Today is the second day. And special of the today's Northeast Graduate Congress was the cultural procession launching by our honorable ministers of education, Minister of Tourism and Minister of Rural Development, along with the MLA from Nangpu. So this was a very colorful program, and hopefully in the coming days also we'll be making it more innovative, more towards socio-economic issues and all other kind of debate, extempore speech we are also targeting in the coming days. And you have seen that lots of innovations and other kind of development and progress shown by our students from the various departments. So this is a showcasing of the talents in various departments. One vertical is cultural, one is literature, one is sports, and one is various kind of co-curricular and extracurricular activities. So students have shown different kind of talents in various competitions, and I hope that various participation from the colleges, especially rural areas college, they are showing very good performance in the various competitions. Sports competitions are going on, you can witness, and you can capture some of the clip from the various activities. I think it will be more practical instead of taking my kind of information. So I hope that if you take the bites of our participating students, it will be more oriented for the people who are not knowing about the Northeast Graduate Congress.
Since yesterday, today and tomorrow, in these 3 days, you will be sharing your ideas, values, identity, to ensure that we are one in one platform and to ensure as a citizen of this country. As a proud Indian, I would like to reiterate the beautiful constitution that we have, which ensure unity in diversity in our country. And today it has showcased by witnessing the beautiful cultural group who represent your respective states from all the 8 northeastern states, and to showcase your culture, your identity, your background that you represent. It is very important in the present day generation to ensure that peace will prevail and the sense of oneness will be there in and around our community. Dear friends, on this occasion, I would like to reiterate about the dream and aspiration of each and every one of you. I'm not wrong to say, when you represent your own state, when you represent your own universities, you ensure that you will become someone through this platform and in other avenues also. I would like to quote about the dream and aspiration of one of the famous persons the world has produced, Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. When he quoted, "I would love to live in a country where my 4 children will not be judged by the color of their skin, but they will be judged by the..."
And a matter of great personal satisfaction to be present here today at the inauguration of the Northeast Graduate Congress 2026. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to the USTM for bringing together such an extraordinary congregation of young minds from across our vibrant and diverse northeastern region. At its core, NEGC is not merely an event, it is a reflection of a larger idea. An idea that knowledge must transcend classrooms, that education must evolve into action, and that youth must not only inherit the future, but actively shape it. One of the most remarkable aspects of this Congress is its emphasis on unity in diversity. Our region is a fusion of cultures, languages, and traditions. And yet, platforms like NEGC reminds us that diversity is not a barrier. It is a great strength. When young people from different states come together, exchange ideas, and collaborate, they create not only knowledge but also understanding. And that is the foundation of lasting progress. This NEGC, with its focus on skill development, innovation, leadership, and holistic growth, is precisely the kind of platform that can bridge the gap between learning and doing.
Our honored Prime Minister have a dream of reaching Bharat 2047. How to make that happen? My dear youth of Meghalaya, you are part of this dream. Let the journey will move together with unity, with creativity, with a firm mindset that our region is great, our North is great, our Mother India is great, and we continue to serve and be an example to the world. I wish each one of you who are coming to this Congress will be an ambassador. What we are learning these 3 days, and we will back home. More importantly, enrich your mind, enrich your thought process, enrich the creativity in you, so that you become an asset or your prospect, your state, the region, as I said before, to the Mother India. With these viewers, I wish all the participants, I wish the USTM University, I wish the USTM family the best in the future also. Thank you much. God bless you.
Here in the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, at the celebrations of this say 20,000 undergraduate students here. This is a mega event I'm very lucky to be here, and I have seen that many different tribes of northeastern states are taking place, and many students from different places, from different states of northeast are also coming and getting their education here also. I'm very much grateful for the University of Science and Technology of Meghalaya for opening this medical college also, because there are many students from Meghalaya also benefited out of this medical college. 60 seats have been allotted to the students from Meghalaya. This is a unique opportunity for the students of Meghalaya to study in the medical college. And in the near future, this university is intended to open the super specialist hospital also. That will help a great deal for the patients who are suffering from different diseases and who would go to the southern states like Tamil Nadu for treatment. But after opening the super specialist hospital, I think there will be no need for them to go to those hospitals like Delhi, Bombay and Tamil Nadu. Here, you see, they will be getting a good treatment at a cheaper rate, and it will be much more convenient for the people of the northeast to come here and get all this treatment.
meghalayapost.news